We are talking to Ketan Sethi, Director Aviation Division, NAFFCO Aviation. Ketan, it's a pleasure talking to you today. NAFFCO has been known for its advanced fire safety solutions, and now we are seeing NAFFCO Aviation. So, how are you innovating to meet the demands of increasing complex airport environments?
See, NAFFCO Group is one of the largest group worldwide in the field of fire health and safety. Yeah, and we are known as a firefighting company, firefighting producer company. But very few people know that NAFFCO is a diversified group. We have 13 business verticals in the group, and NAFFCO Aviation is one of the strongest pillar in the group, where we offer complete solution to the airport under one roof. And it's not only firefighting trucks or vehicles, it's a complete solution. And we always try to bring innovative technologies which are for the future of the airport or sustainable. We also produce electric vehicles and bring to the airports.
Talking about sustainability, since you have just mentioned, how are your products and technologies aligning with the environment and energy efficient solutions?
See, our R&D in NAFFCO Group is very strong, and we are always committed to environment. And it's not only environment. Our company motto is passion to protect, and it's passion to protect not only the life, it's life, property, and environment. And we have been always, our R&D is always busy working in developing new technologies. We are working on making electric vehicles, electric portfolios. We are also having an environment friendly firefighting foam which can be used for all class of fire, and it's completely environment friendly. And we are also working on hybrid generators. Rather than diesel, it's a hybrid genset under electric division of us. And then we are also working on hydrogen powered vehicles right now. It's under R&D. It's very in nascent stage right now. This is how we are committed, basically.
You have rightly said there are a lot of tech solutions what you are implementing it. How are you integrating these smart solutions into data driven tools within the airport ecosystem?
See, each of our equipment is backed up by AI, the artificial intelligence. All our equipments basically are connected to our cloud base,
Yeah.
which is an additional service what we offer, which gives complete integration of the complete fleet at the airport or complete equipments at the airports to the right people on their mobile apps, on their computers, like how their vehicle is behaving, how their equipment is behaving, whether it's a time for them to maintain it or change something, or when was the last fault, what was the nature of the fault. So all this data you get through our cloud system. So that every vehicle is every product is implemented with AI.
What we are seeing is in today's time, there's a rapid growth of passenger volume which is growing at the airports. So definitely there will be a lot of challenges what you will be forcing in the industry. So especially keeping in line the solutions what you are offering, how are you addressing those challenges? And can you share a real life example with us about one such challenge?
See, I cannot share a real life challenge because airport we need to maintain confidentialities. But yes, the systems our engineers what they are doing, we work on really efficient passenger flow management systems.
Yeah.
So we have our own passenger flow management system where we track and we manage the passenger flow so that you spend less time in the check-ins and spend more time in the duty free and shoppings and be relaxed. So which increases the revenue of the airport also.
Airports, yes. Talking about cybersecurity is globally becoming a, I would say, a very big concern in the aviation industry. So, according to you, what role does cybersecurity play in your communication and navigation solutions, given the growing reliance on digital infrastructure and AI in aviation?
See, our systems, if I talk about the voice communication control system, what we are doing, or the AOS system, or ATM automation system, these are fully secured, and it's next to impossible for any hacker to enter into the system and hack it. And our systems are fully IP based systems,
Yeah.
and it's the latest technology today, which is also somehow we are securing the whole airport, and it's a fully redundant system. So hacking is next to impossible.
Interesting. Looking at your baggage handling system, which is we are seeing the hoardings run. What innovations has NAFFCO introduced in its passenger boarding bridge solutions to enhance the safety, accessibility, and also the turnaround efficiency?
See, passenger boarding bridges are always safe, and because these are made as per the standard, where you need to have a certain stability to the wind, certain stability to the storms, lightning, and all these effects. What we can do is that we, for some special presidential flights, we are making very wide boarding bridges, which is not available easily in the market. And inside also, to make very comfortable for the passengers to go inside, we do a lot of interior designing also for the same. And also our boarding bridge tunnels are protected with our own firefighting system, which we are quite pioneer in that. So it's one of the safest boarding bridge, I would
So, how are your PBB systems designed to integrate with both traditional aircraft and, as you've also mentioned, the evolving fleet of electric or hybrid air vehicles?
See, boarding bridge has nothing to do with electric or other airways. Boarding bridge role is to reach to the gate of the aircraft. So our systems and our sizes are so that it is suitable for any kind of aircraft, whether it's a narrow body or a wide body aircraft.
Yeah.
So we make systems, whether it's hydraulically operated or electromechanical operations. So our boarding bridges are reaching to all the aircraft doors.
Ketan, before we wind up our interview, just one last question. What are the key solutions which you have introduced in the market last year, and what can we expect from NAFFCO Aviation for this year?
You see, we are always committed to bring new technologies for the better tomorrow. And every year in this Dubai Airport Show, we are bringing new technologies, launching new products in the market. Last year, we launched our complete suite for the communication, navigation, surveillance equipments, which was inaugurated by Dubai Air Navigation Services also, which includes the voice communication and control system, and which also included automated weather observation system, ADSBs, instrument lending system. And this year, we have launched a complete portfolio of ground handling equipments, which includes a pushback tractor from small 12-ton to 70-ton in both electric and diesel. And then we have launched complete range of catering vehicles or the conveyor belt loaders.
Yeah.
And many other ground support equipments. A complete portfolio what we have launched in both diesel and electric.
Okay, and what are the key markets you're focusing on with these new solutions?
We always focus on emerging markets first to introduce the things, and to get the provency done, we always give in the developed markets, we test our product.
Yeah.
And when the user is satisfied, then we launch in the market. Then we go in the emerging markets where the business and volumes are more. So this is what like Middle East and Africa markets are emerging.
Is the
that
key focus
key
for
focus, and then the Asia Pacific market, of course, is a focus. And now recently, we have started moving our focus to United States.
okay.
We were there in FDIC, where our product is accepted well. Especially the ARFF vehicle, our ARFF vehicle, is really well accepted. They did the test run in Indianapolis
Okay.
airport firefighting station, and they really like the product. So I think US is the next market what we are targeting for our complete range of products.
That's really interesting. And we wish you all the best for US market and the other Asia Pacific and the Middle East market.
Thank you so much.